Hello friends, welcome to our new session Plus 2 Commerce Chapter 11 Employee Selection Process. Choose the correct answers. The recruitment and selection process aimed at right kind of people. So all the choose are right, so all the above is the right answer. The poor quality of selection will mean extra cost on training and supervision. So if the quality of selection is not good, then you have to pay the extra cost for training and supervision. Dash refers to the process of identifying and attracting job seekers so as to build a pool of qualified job applicants, that is recruitment. So recruitment is the process of attracting job seekers. Selection is usually considered as a dash process, negative process. Which of the following test is used to measure the various characteristics of the candidates? That is psychological tests. Which of the following orders is followed in a typical selection process? That is application from test and or interview or reference check and physical examination is the selection process. Okay. The purpose of an application blank is to gather information about the candidate. So application blank. So what for? By seeing the application you know about the candidate. Identify the test that act as an instrument to discover the inherent ability of a candidate, that is aptitude test. The process of eliminating unsuitable candidate is called selection. So eliminating unsuitable candidate is known as selection. Next point, scrutiny of application process is the first step in selection process. Next point, selection process helps in determining the suitability of the candidates. The process of placing the right man on the right job is called placement. Probation or trial period signifies 1 year to 2 years. Job first man next is one of the principle of placement. Very short answer questions. What is selection? Selection is the process of choosing the most suitable person for the vacant position in the organization. Selection process is to find out the suitable candidate for a specific job. So selection means very simple, select the right person for the right job. What is an interview? Interview represents a face. Interview represents a face-to-face interaction between the interviewer and interviewee. According to Scott and others, an interview is a process, full exchange of ideas. The answering of questions and communications between two or more persons. That is known as interview. What is intelligence test? Intelligence tests are one of the psychological tests that is designed to measure a variety of mental ability, individual capacity of a candidate. The main aim of this test is to obtain an idea of the person's intellectual potential. So intelligence test is compulsory so that they will know the capacity of the candidate, individual mental ability and capacity of a candidate. They are conducting the intelligence tests. Now, what do you understand about biodata? What do you understand by about biodata? Most of public sector undertaking, recruitment boards, and private sector companies supply pre-printed applications form. In this form, the candidates fill the details about family background, educational qualification, co-curricular activities, and work experience, etc. So by seeing the biodata, we can understand and we can know about all these things. What do you mean by placement? The process of placing the right man on the right job is called placement. Placement is a process of assigning a specific job to each and every candidate selected. So, placement means right man on the right job. Now, we move on to short questions. What is stress interview? What is stress interview? This type of interview is conducted to test the temperament and emotional balance of the candidate interview. Interviewer deliberately creates stressful situation by directing the candidate to do irrational and irritating activities. Mostly this type of interview is conducted for recruiting sales representative staff for defense and law enforcement agencies. So they will conduct wantedly the stress interview to know the capacity or capability of a person to appoint. What is structured interview? Under this method, a series of questions to be asked by the interviewer are pre-prepared by the interviewer, and only these questions are asked in the interview. Ultimately, interviews are ranked on the basis of score earned by the candidate in the interview. That is known as structured interview. Pre-prepared questions has been asked in the interview is known as structured interview. Name the types of selection test. Name the types. Types means only you have to write the types. No need to explain. There are two types: ability test and personality test. In under ability test, aptitude, achievement, intelligence, judgment. Under personality test, interest, personality, projective, and attitude. So these are the selection of tests. What do you mean by achievement test? This test measures a candidate's capacity to achieve in a particular field. In other words, this test measures a candidate's level of skill in certain areas, accomplishment and knowledge in a particular subject. The regular examination conducted in educational institution represent achievement test. It's also called proficiency test. So, to know the capacity of the employee, to know the student's capacity, they are conducting achievement tests. That is also known as proficiency tests. What is aptitude test? They asked in the quarterly or half-yearly examination last year. Aptitude test is a test to measure suitability of the candidates for the post role. It actually measures whether the candidate possesses a set of skill required to perform a given job. It helps in predicting the ability and future performance of the candidate. So, aptitude test is nothing but measure the suitability of a candidate for the post. How is panel interview conducted? How is panel interview conducted. Where a group of people interview the candidate, it is called panel interview. Usually, panel comprises chairperson, subject expert, psychological experts, representative of minorities, underprivileged groups, nominees of higher bodies, and so on. All panel members ask different type of question on general areas of specialization of the candidate. Each and every member awards marks for the candidate separately. So this is known as panel interview conducted. So in this panel interview, they will ask all type of question, all type of experts are available over there. In center, you have to sit and round off by all the experts. That is known as panel interview conducted. Nowadays, it is very popular. Now we'll move on to long answer. Briefly explain the various types of tests. Several tests are conducted for selection process. Now we'll move on to first ability test, aptitude. Aptitude test is a test to measure the suitability of the candidate for the post. That is known as aptitude test. Next one, achievement test. This test measures a candidate's capacity to achieve in a particular field. Next, intelligence test. Intelligence tests are designed to measure a variety of mental ability, individual capacity of a candidate. Judgment test. This test is conducted to test the presence of mind and reasoning capacity of the candidates. So judgment. Presence of mind will be tested in judgment test. Personality test. Personality test refers to the test conducted to find out the non-intellectual traits of a candidate. That is, first one, interest test. Interest test measures a candidate's extent of interest in a particular area chosen by him. Projective test. This test measures the candidate's values, attitudes, apprehensive personality of the candidates. Next one, attitude test. This test measures candidate tendencies towards a people, situation, action, and related things. Next essay, explain the important methods of interview. Explain the important methods of interview. Interview represents a face-to-face interaction between the interviewer and interviewee. Preliminary interview. This interview is conducted to know the general suitability of the candidates who have applied for the job. Structure interview. Under this method, a series of questions to be asked by the interviewer are pre-prepared by the interviewer, and only these questions are asked in the interview. In-depth interview. This interview is conducted to test the level of knowledge of the interviewee in a particular field. Panel interview. Where a group of people interview the candidate, it is called panel interview. Usually, panel comprises chairperson, subject expert, psychological experts, representatives of minorities or underprivileged groups, nominees of higher bodies, and so on. That is known as panel interview. Just now we studied about the panel interview. Stress interview, already we studied, to know the emotional balance of the person. Online interview. Due to tremendous growth in information and communication technology, these days interviews are conducted by means of internet via Skype, WeChat, Google Duo, Viber, WhatsApp, or video chat applications. Now we'll move on to third question. Explain the principle of placement. This has been asked in the half-yearly examination. Job first, man next. Man should be placed on the job according to the requirements of the job. Job offer. The job should be offered to the man based on his qualification. Terms and conditions. The employee should be made conversant with the conditions and culture prevailing in the organization and all those things relating to the job. Aware about the penalties. The employee should also be made aware of the penalties if he commits a wrong or lapse. Loyalty and cooperation. When placing new recruit on the job, an effort should be made to develop a sense of loyalty and cooperation in him. Next question, difference between recruitment and selection. The basis of comparison, recruitment and selection. Approach. Approach under recruitment is a positive one. Approach under selection is negative one. Objective. Inviting large number of candidates to apply for the vacant post. Picking up the most suitable candidates and eliminating the tests. Sequence. First, second. Method. It is an economical method. It is an expensive method. Process. Recruitment process is very simple. Recruitment process is very complex and complicated. Time. Less time is required. More time is required. So after this chapter is completed. Thank you students for watching this video.